Hey, guy. Kinda messed up. Hang on. Right. Hey, guys. Sutiechicken here. Oops, I've broken something already. Oh, good God. I'll fix that. Hey, guys. Sutiechicken here. And welcome to the grand tour. It's only a couple of minutes, though. Just welcome to the grand tour of my personal world. So, as you can see, I am really bad at building. But hey. So, it's time to go to bed. Oh, look at my body. You can see the grass and everything I'm holding. Ignore the chat. Just ignore the chat. I had a failed recording, okay? Just ignore the chat. Now, you may see I'm in game mode C. That's because I just wanted to fly over my world. Let me just deal with these dudes first. So, we've got a few rocklands and things over here. Hey. So, today's video, we might be building something. Or I say we might be, we will be. We'll be building an outhouse. So, I don't exactly have an outhouse at the moment. If I can spell. Right, so I don't exactly have a loo yet. And guys, please tell me if you like this texture pack or not. It's like, get rid of these eggs for now. Right. So yeah, just tell me if you like this texture pack or not, okay? Resume. Okay, we're back. Just had to chop down some trees. Okay. Jungle wood. We're gonna be making this out of jungle wood. So it's gonna be. Don't use this as a tutorial, please don't. Just yeah. As I said, I'm really crap at building. So yep. So this is gonna be the simple shape of the outhouse. So of course there will be no windows. Ow. I guess that's okay. Bim, 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 bim. Now there is going to be some more games, like such as Farming Simulator and stuff like that. But I thought I'd just start off with a bit of Minecraft, and then maybe tomorrow or something do a bit of Minecraft with my friends. So, yep, stay tuned for that. And I will be using Craft Guide for PC Minecraft. I haven't been playing for that long, I guess. So, yep. Ignore the shovel, it is very fast, I know. We're back. So we need to put a roof on, I guess. I don't know why I keep on saying I guess. I don't know. Because I'm good like that. So give me all that. What do I need to make? Oh, torches, that's right, so I need to make some sticks. See, I know how to make the basic torches, don't judge. Right. I made a few too many sticks then, but hey. I'll just yank some of this coal. Just down here. Let's Is there any more? I got 6 pieces. Okay. Right. Yep, well, I'm so stupid. Here we go. I guess that'll have to be enough torches. So. Right. Now I need to make a door. Do I remember how to make a door? Yes, I do. I made too many jungle doors, but and there's our outhouse, guys. Oh, wait. Okay, that'll be it for this video, guys. My name's Sutiechicken, and I'll see you in the next video.